Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying core requirements so you don't chase symptoms. First, check your ISP speed against the video bitrate. If it's below, you'll see buffering. Next, plug in Ethernet and temporarily disable VPN or proxy so you rule out tunneling latency. Then close heavy upload/download apps and pause other devices on the network. This frees bandwidth. Once done, restart the router and the YouTube player to clear cache stalls. You should already notice smoother playback. Now you move into more technical tuning to remove intermittent buffering. Change your DNS to a fast resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 because name lookups can add delay. Make the change on your device or router. Then enable or configure Co-S to prioritize YouTube traffic so packets don't queue behind large downloads. Update router firmware and reposition it centrally and elevated for signal coverage. Once these are set, test different quality settings and perform a speed test while playing a video to correlate results. To finish, you complete final checks and have one strong troubleshooting tip. Clear browser cache, disable extensions, and test in incognito to rule out client-side interference. That often fixes stalls quickly. If playback still lags, reduce quality to 480p or 360p to match available bandwidth while you investigate. Make sure device drivers and the YouTube app are updated. If problems persist, switch to a mobile hotspot briefly. If that resolves buffering, the issue is your home ISP or router and not YouTube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.